Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Tilray. I've talked about them numerous times here on the channel. They're going down. Well, they were. Looks like they're up now, but don't know what was going on with them earlier. Like I said, I've covered them numerous times. Were one of my favorite stocks. High Tide's just taken over as my all-time favorite. It's just been the only one that's really proved anything to me. All the other ones are just up and down roller coaster ride and just eventually going down like this one is. So, but I still have it, still holding it. But as a whole, over the past year, down, we'll just call it 62%. And just kind of like the whole sector in itself, just like every MJ stock out there. Past 3 months down 39%. Past month down 22%. So it was in the $2, $2.70, $2.84 range. Past week, it's even down $1.87. Looks like Batman there. And just going down. There'd have been a good dip by $1.64. And here's a look at what it's doing today. 170s, took a dip. It bounces off of that 163, 164 range and then runs up, and then everybody price sells it and goes back down and just up and down. But again, Tilray, one of the more popular ones. If you have it, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. I don't have any in this account. Moved everything to a different account, but I still have Tilray. I still have I haven't sold any of my MJ stocks. I have sold, but I've rebought. My trade, High Tide, is the only one that I'm really trading right now, because you get about a nickel swing, and I'm not afraid of it going down and losing, so that's why I keep trading that one. But if you're not sure what Tilray is, it's one of the bigger companies. Just the stock price sucks right now. So it's in packaged goods company, operations, of course, in Canada, United States, Europe, Australia, and Latin America. Firm focused on medical, MJ research and cultivation, processing, and distribution of MJ products worldwide. MJ and hemp, CBD, founded in 2018, Ontario, $1.07 billion market cap, high today of $1.78, low of $1.63, 52-week high $5.12, and a low of $1.63. The volume's getting up there on this one, 16.87 million, so not the greatest ratings, currently showing it to hold. That's what I've been doing with all of them, is holding them because they're all in the red. And next earnings expected on July 27th, so we'll see what that takes place. But I have all these: Canopy Growth, Aurora, that's another least favorite. I'm totally in the red on that one. I think my cost basis on that in one account is like $40 or $50 just with the reverse merger. It used to be my favorite, and then I think it went to Freya, which is Tilray now. Sundial, I've done videos on, still holding that one. It's still going down. Chronos, I've held that one for quite a while, and Organigram, I've done videos on all of these. Sundial and Tilray probably the most videos. Microsoft Bing, currently shown as a hold with a 1-year price target of $3. I'm sure a lot of people would be happy with $3 getting that out of it. Tilray announces pricing of registered offering of $150 million of unsecured convertible senior notes. This is dated on the 25th. So I'm just going to kind of skim through this article. Refinance, meaning portion of their debt due in June of 2024, extending maturity to 2027, locking in a lower fixed interest rate of 5.2. So hopefully that all helps the company. So, leading global consumer packaged goods today announced the pricing of a registered offering of $150 million principal amount of 5.20% convertible senior notes, purchase up to an additional $22.5 million aggregate principal amount of notes, solely to cover over allotments. We successfully executed a favorable refinancing which demonstrates the strength of our company investor confidence in our management team and strategic plan. Aggregate net proceeds from the offering after deducting underwriting discounts and commission of expenses payable by Tilray But the CEO successfully executed favorable refinancing, which demonstrates the strength of our company and investor confidence in our management team and strategic plan. And feel free to pause and go over the rest. Like I said, I wasn't going to read it all over here on Yahoo Finance, Stocks in Play, Tilray Brands. This was last Friday. Issued a report recommending that Hexo shareholders vote for arrangement. I haven't covered or looked at Hexo in quite a while. Yes, I still have it, so. But if you have any MJ stocks, Tilray, Hexo, Sundial, you can leave that in the comments. Tilray announced proposed registered offering of $150 million of convertible senior notes. Why Tilray stock is nosediving? That's what I was asking myself. This just came out yesterday. So shares are trading lower by 6.28% to $1.72. Wednesday morning on continued downward momentum after the company last week announced pricing of a registered offering of $150 million of unsecured convertible senior notes. So that's what's going on. Expect to grant underwrites a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional $22.5 million of notes. So kind of already went over that, but that's why it's dipping. Over here on Reddit, announced pricing $2.66 per share, registered offering of $150 million of unsecured convertible debts. Post your position, Saturday discussion. Nothing else in there. Over here on StockTwits, 171. Sure idea. The edible just hit. You're secure. Love it. Just amazing how you are seeing more posts of people losing and moving on. Sounds like some paid bashing to me. I just keep it. I mean, if it's going down, I'm not going to sell it. I mean, you bought it to make money, so why not leave it there and try to get it back up? I mean, you don't lose until you sell. That's what I try to tell people, but that's not working. Over here on Tip Ranks, moderate buy, $3.50. Price target. So like I said, all of my MJ is in the red. I still have them. Yeah, my account's down, but it could go back up. What if you sold at the low prices and then it goes back up and you don't have it? Then you're really going to be pissed off. So if they're in the red, just keep them. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just telling you what I do, but it just doesn't make any sense for me. If I buy, let's say for easy math, $1 stock and it goes down to 90 or 80 cents, are you going to sell it? No, I'm not. I'm going to keep it because it could run up to $1.10 tomorrow or $1.05 and get all your money back. So you never know. But that's all that I have on Tilray. If you have any other MJ stocks you want me to take a look at, make a video, I'd be happy to do that as well. I've covered about, I wouldn't say all of the MJ stocks. I've covered numerous ones, even penny stocks or ones that trade over the counter. So I've talked about a lot of them. Probably not all of them, but the majority of them. You can find all those in the library. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.